I just wanted to vlog this little piece of it really quickly. We had a girls' day today. I haven't even showered, guys. We had a long morning this morning, but it was good. We went to yoga. And then after that, we still had energy to go for a hike, guys. Alizé vlogged all that. I didn't take my camera, but you guys will see all that in Alizé's channel. And after that, we're already coming home, guys. We still have time, like el que madruga Dios le ayuda, literally. So we went to Target because we were planning to buy the pasta attachment for the KitchenAid. But just for that one attachment, guys, it was like $219. I'm like, oh, no, 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 no.
You got me a fan?
Wait, mama. So I wanted to show you guys Alicia really quick. That's why I got on here late. You guys will see all the morning vlog in Alizé's channel. But yeah, guys, I was not about to pay $200 and something for an attachment for the KitchenAid. So we're gonna go ahead and look for it in Amazon. I'll go ahead and update you guys on that one. But for today, we got Missy here. Daddy went to go pick her up, guys, and they're doing activities because it's like the end of the year. So she came back like this, literally. But I also wanted to get on here because I got a surprise for Ashlyn and Alicia. Hold on, mama. That's for Ashy, mama, because I don't think you like that type of color. Okay, I got that one for you. You like it, mama? Yeah. Okay, show our friends. It's like just a plain shirt, guys, because she's a big girl and she's running out of clothes. Literally. And she likes them a little loose, guys. She don't like to wear like the tight stuff. I got her a green one and a khaki one and just plain shirts, guys. Only $6 in that skirt. Oh, it's too short, mommy, for you? Okay, and then show them what I got for Ashy. I got her that faldita with the matching shirt, guys. I didn't get one for Alicia because she's picky and you know she don't really like spaghetti strap. I got her oh, you had already got them, mama. I got her some mini little Skittles here. You can have a little bit right now, but you have to wait for dinner, okay, mama? And then this one, I got it for whoever needs it. Ashlyn, Alicia, whenever we go somewhere. And you know, summer's coming up. It's pretty hot. So that way we could put cold water with the little fan. Super cute, guys. And Alizé's cooking back there somewhere. She's going to go ahead and vlog it for her channel. She's making chicken Alfredo. Okay, let me go give Ashley her little Skittles, guys. Okay, guys, here's Missy. She just got home from school. It looks like she has a little cough. I have a surprise for you, mommy. You like it? You like it, mommy? You like it, mommy? You like it? Do you want sister to help you? Okay, sister's gonna help you open it, okay? Sister's helping out. Okay, she's gonna open Ashy's Skittles, guys. You love Skittles, huh, mama? She's not a candy eater, guys, but this is one of the limited candies she likes. So Skittles it is. Okay, we need to sit down. No, not all of them, not all of them. Not all of them, girl. You love Skittles, mama?
So yummy.
Okay, we're gonna let you have some. Here you go. Ash? Ash? And then dinner's almost ready, okay, mama? You love thumbs up if you like them. Thumbs up, girl. Thumbs up. As you guys heard, she has a small cough. You guys know it's pilly illy time, but I'm gonna take advantage. I put a little bit of cough medication in here because you guys know she won't take it on her own will. So the pilly illy's in there. And then I have some vitamin C right here. And Missy, hold it, mommy. Hold it. Yeah, she's been with the small cough, guys. And if you guys look close, I don't like this. She has all kinds of hair on her shirt. She's been biting off her hair again. That's why we try to keep her front hair out of her face, but she still gets a hold of it, guys. And she had a bunch of hair like on her mouth, so I'm hoping the cough is not due to her chewing her hair. And she has all kinds of hair on her shirt. I'll show you guys a close-up right now. Look at, she has like hair right there, if you guys could see. No biting hair, okay, Ashley? That's not nice. We don't bite hair. We don't bite hair, okay, Mama? Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit more, okay? And then sister's going to brush teeth right now, okay? And we all do teamwork here, guys. So I'm giving her medication. It's cough medication, and then I just put her Killy Illy. It mixes up in the belly alley anyway. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. We didn't go live today because Ashley has a little cough, and you know I have to be here to attend her. So yeah, guys, say bye to friends. Say bye. Bye, friends.
Okay, guys, so we have Ashy right here. I'm gonna try out this toothpaste. It's Tom's, original Tom's Kids Natural Fluid. It's strawberry, silly strawberry flavored. Because as you guys know, well, when Ashlyn like brushes her teeth, she like tends to eat it. She doesn't know how to spit out toothpaste. So we do brush your teeth with kid toothpaste, but this is, it fights cavities and tastes great. Dye free as well. So we have her trusty little toothbrush right here. I'm gonna wet it. She still has a little cough, guys, but just like that, wet it. We just got it. Yeah, it's closed, so we need to open it. Like that. Just like that, guys. Close it up. Oh, it looks beige. Oh, that smells really good, guys. I would re-wet it. Even though it's like kid friendly and everything, I still like try to get her to like spit at least a little bit. Put more water for the top. Say ah. Then the front, I try to get her front teeth. Okay, now let's try to spit. Spit. Good job. All done. Oh, and she's going straight to the room, guys. Guys, those are all blankets. That's a donation pile, and then that's my dress. And then she just drops all the Mickeys literally on the floor, her clothes. I promise you guys, the room's not dirty.